If you need to recover your Venmo account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Input the phone number associated with your Venmo account. Venmo will send a verification code to this number to help you reset your password. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your phone for the verification code sent by Venmo. Enter this code in the app to confirm your identity and proceed with the recovery process. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Venmo account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance.